leaving Lom and going to, what was it called? Shok? And see if we might stay the night there. Otherwise we're gonna continue forward, whatever direction it is. But it's beautiful here. Good morning! It's 8 o'clock. And we have slept the night. It's quite a nice place. I slept okay. Well, it took me a while to actually just go to sleep, but after that I slept the full night, without waking up. So that was okay. It's very cozy sleeping in a tent. And then you can hear the river. It's super loud, but it's like the perfect white noise. So you don't hear it at all. Like that kind of noise doesn't bother me at all. So I don't hear it. Now we're gonna, oh my god, sorry. We're gonna drink coffee. Don't get out of the tent. Have some breakfast, and then we're gonna start driving towards, I think today we're gonna mostly drive and check out the places around us, because we took a detour now to avoid the rain. It's gonna rain a lot on the Westland. So now breakfast. Check out our cute little tent. Let's see. Hi! It's really cold today.
Är det här det kaffe?
And I want to keep my mind.
To the next location.
Looking through old photos, you and I were both of different kinds of colors. I'm glad I'm not yours. Why am I feeling like I want you to be mine? And I want you to be mine.
We are finally in Obstrud! And I'm so excited. I've wanted to go here for so long. And it is, even though it's moody, it is beautiful. The rain has just stopped, thankfully. So we are hoping for some better weather. Looks semi-hopeful, but this place is absolutely incredible. And the water, as always, is so blue. Our plan is to go all the way up to Åndalsnes. I'm not sure how far we're going to go today. We really wanted to stay at these kind of cabins up here, but everything is fully booked. Everybody's on vacation in Norway. And I think before we were kind of out of all the touristy places, and now we are in the heart of all the touristy places. Which I kind of understand, because this place is incredible. I'm so happy that we made it here. But yeah, the weather is a little bit rough. So I'm gonna show you some footage from here because I think we're just gonna take some photos and then keep on driving because, well, I mean, we've got nowhere to stay and it's 7 o'clock in the evening. So I'm gonna show you off stream. Look at this. First we can start with. Out. This is Geiranger. Oh, amazing. Oh my god, it's starting to rain again. This is following us. We are just on our way down. We just drove Trollstigen, it's called. So you're up and kind of like this, the mountains, and then come down to this. And the sun is just breaking through. It's incredible. Of course, I wish I could drone, but it's raining and I don't think I'm allowed by law. But oh my god, we're still looking for somewhere to sleep tonight. We have stopped at like 4 different places. Everything is fully booked and we are just going to keep on driving till we find something. And the worst thing is, like, down here we're not going to find anything because there's going to be so many people. So I think we're just going to keep on driving, maybe all night if we have to. And we are going to our friend in Trondheim and we just asked him if we could stay for like 4 days and he was like, yes, you can. So we're kind of looking forward to that. Now we're gonna go. Hiya. We finally found somewhere to stay. And it's got the most epic view ever. Check this out. This is our room. Room 2. Oh my god, this is perfect. Herregud, utsikt. This is perfect. Look at this cute little room. Good morning. Oh my god, I missed it. It is 9 o'clock. In the morning, and we are getting ready to head to the next place, but just look at this view. I mean, what? Just check this view out. How crazy is this? It's so beautiful. So this right here is Geiranger. And I'm amazed. And this is where we stayed the night. Such an amazing little place. We're so happy that we found it. It was a really nice room and just what we needed. So we're just gonna drive through Geiranger because it is a hub for cruise ships. So there's not really anything here. It felt very touristy, but the view from up where we stayed was very worth it to go here. But there's nothing really in the center. There's nothing here. There's like big hotels for people coming with cruise ships. So we are going to the next place and we're gonna go up this insane zigzaggy road, which I think is gonna be pretty cool. So let's see where the next place is gonna be. Leaving Geiranger. So this is still Geiranger. We came from all the way up there. I don't even know if you can see, not the sky again, but somewhere there. And drove all the way down to Geiranger. Now we're just gonna drive through up this road, but look how beautiful it is. It's pretty insane, but not my kind of place at all. There's too much people, there's huge hotels, cruise ships coming in, but I'm really happy we saw it because this right here is spectacular. But the village itself, not my thing. But so we're just gonna drive through now and see where we go. We haven't had any breakfast, it's like 11. So, but we have coffee and that's the most important thing.